Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Tech Fix Reviews here, and on today's video we have the Baseus MC2 open ear earbuds. Now Baseus has been coming up with a lot of new audio gear, from over-ear headphones, Bluetooth headphones, in-ear headphones, open ear headphones, all kinds of stuff, and I'm super excited to review this one because this is known to be comfortable. Just a few key points about this product. We have Super Bass 3.0 dynamic algorithm, cloud comfort wraparound cushion, so it's supposed to be really comfortable in your ear, and it sports a 55-hour battery life. And one last thing, it says IP67 waterproof. That's a big one, especially if you work out and you sweat a lot, or if it's raining and you're jogging outside. Whatever the case is, let's check this out. And as always, everything will be linked in the description. Amazon Prime Day is coming up. This device normally goes for $79.99. On Amazon Prime Day, it will be going for $59.99. So if you are interested in getting one, now is the time to do it. Link will be in the description. All right, so let's get right to it, everybody. Bowie MC2 open ear earbuds. Very nice packaging, wraparound comfort all day with music by your side. Dope. I'm very excited to open these headphones. From what I understand, from what I hear, based on reviews, is that they're very comfortable, made to last all day without hurting your ears. Let's get to it. Quick pairing, it shows you how to wear it, and choosing your ear cushions. Pick the Cloud Comfort air cushion that feels most comfortable and secure. All right, let's see what we got here. Ear cushions. Okay. USB-A to USB-C cable, and the headphones themselves. Let's see what these bad boys are made of. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, nice matte feel. Let's take a look at this. Baseus logo, USB-C, pairing button. Feels premium. Let's open it up. Okay, very nice. And this comes in 3 different colors: black, white, and blue. All right. Release pressure, while ultra soft silicone ensures a smooth cloud-like feel. So basically, it's supposed to be very comfortable. This is Grammy winner recommended audio. High resolution audio with LDAC and up to 3 times the audio detail. This has custom sized 11mm tri-magnet drivers with 4-layer diaphragms. Okay, Super Bass 3.0, which adds punchy bass to it. Very nice. And updated spatial audio provides multi-layer depth and lifelike soundstage. Recommended by Grammy winning audio professionals. Ultra lightweight adaptive fit. Ultra lightweight adaptive fit. Super light, flexible. Can't wait to give it a try. Let's see how they go back in. Okay, magnetically sticks very nicely, very easily. I was worried it wouldn't go in easily. I have a problem with headphones that tend not to be the easiest thing to put back. Easy in and out. This sports all-day playtime and IP67 waterproof. 11.5 hours per charge and up to 55 hours total with Super Bass 3.0 on. 10-minute quick charge gives 3 hours of playtime. They resist sweat and rain for reliable everyday use. Okay, not bad. Open ear awareness. Enjoy your music while staying aware of your surroundings. Open ear earbuds blend audio with situational messages without blocking your ears, helping you hear traffic, announcements, or conversations. So it's ideal for commuting, outdoor walks, and basically everyday safety. And as far as microphones and phone calls go, earbuds clip-on feature 4 directional beamforming microphones with AI enhanced technology. Focus on your voice and reduce background noise, including wind, for clear, stable calls even in a noisy environment. Let's pair it up and try it on. Okay, first things first, let's pair it up. Bluetooth, very simple, pulls right up. Okay, connected. Now let's try it on. This will be my first time trying on one of these kinds of headphones, so bear with me. This. All right, so I have them on backwards. They go like this. It makes more sense. Okay, lightweight. Stick in my ears just fine. I hear my surroundings very well. Now, let's play something that has some bass to it. Okay, so I can see this being on all day with no issues with comfort. They're very lightweight. I almost don't feel that they are there. I'm gonna move around a bit without it falling off. I'm curious though, if I were to run with them, what would happen? What do you guys think of the look? They sound great. Bass is bassy. Very bassy, crisp. Okay. If I had to compare it, I would say it's very similar to the AirPods Pro, minus the sound isolation, because the other one actually closes your ears. This one just, it feels open. I feel like I could hear things around me. I hear sounds, noises. I don't have to worry about a car honking at me or something while I'm driving. I can imagine phone calls in this would be very nice and clear. Okay. Very nice. I have yet to compare it to other open ear earbuds. I've never used any. This is my first experience, and I have to say, I enjoy it. I might switch off with my AirPods in specific situations, phone calls probably, because after a while, the in-ear situations do tend to fatigue my ear a lot. So I can see this being much more useful in certain cases. If you're commuting a lot on a bus or a train, walking, jogging, I will be trying these with while I'm on a run, see how they handle, how they hold up, if they fall off or not. Nice quality audio, clear, crisp. It's not falling out of my ear, that's for sure. Looks pretty good. I think they look good. You let me know how you think these look. I have not seen them in my ears yet, so I will find out as soon as I finish this video. But they feel good. If you're hesitant to get one of these, I would say go ahead and try it. You really don't have much to lose. So it already comes with the medium size built into it. Let's try putting it on again because I think I butchered it the first time. Let me go check out how they look actually. Yeah, they look nice, as if they're not there really. They look like a thin piece of material in your ear. All right, so here's how they look up close so you have an idea. Stick right into the ear, don't move. Very comfortable. There is a button here, I don't know if you guys can see it. Play, pause, answer calls, that kind of thing. I think it's very sleek looking, to be honest. So, to sum everything up, Grammy Award-winning sound, wraparound cloud comfort, ultra-light adaptive fit in your ears, open ear awareness so you can hear your surroundings, 4-mic AI clear calls, and AI-powered daily assistant. Do I recommend these? Yes. Amazon Prime Day is coming up, and these will be on sale for $49.99 in the description below from $79.99. Get yourself a pair, totally worth it. And if you guys like content like this, please like, subscribe, leave a comment what you want me to review next, and I will gladly do it. Thank you so much for being a part of this, and I hope to see you on the next one. TechFix Reviews, out.